This is Cyndy with Cyndy G SVG. In this video, we're assembling the witch hat treat box. So I've already glued on some of my panels, and I've inked the edges, kind of a silvery black, just so that they weren't showing white. I decided to use a pattern, and I've been seeing witch hats online with like lace and flowers, kind of more girly to say, and I thought that that would be really cute to have as a box. So this is can be made to look a little more frilly. That's why I picked the pink. So you just want to glue all your panels on. I've already folded this on the score lines. And then I'm just going to close it up. Try to get that tip good. So I'm just going to get that stuck down good, then fold it on that line as well, just to make sure. So that is the top part of the hat, and then we have a band here. Hang on to it. So I've got this stuck down already. Darn. You want to put that up just a little bit higher so that it fits. Don't line it right up to the bottom like I just did. It's not going to fit right. Okay, so that is our top. Then you have like what's supposed to be a lace layer. And then you just want to center this right on there. And then you have the spider web. That just lines up right on there like that. Okay. There we go. Okay, and then you have these two pieces that you're going to put together to create the box. You want to get that right up against that line. And then I'm going to close it. Then I'm just going to take this and drop it over. And then start gluing the tabs down. I'm going to put glue on my tabs. Then I'm going to set it on my table and push it down. Glue on my finger. So there that is, and then we're just going to center this right on the hat, on the brim. You want enough glue to get it to stay, but not too much to ooze out and mess up your paper. There we go. Okay. So that was very quick and easy, and now we're going to do our bow and our flower decorations for our hat. And I'm just going to curve these and put glue right here in the center. Hold that a few seconds. Make sure that it's going to stay. Whoop. Try not to glue your finger down. And I'm just going to put a little crease in it just to make that stand out a little bit more. Put some glue. Also, I probably should have done this first. I just want to curve these just a little bit. I'm going to curve them towards the hat. I think that's how I want them. And then I'm just going to put some glue here at the bottom of my stems just to kind of hold these the way that I want them. And then add my top one here. And I think I'm going to do them. I kind of like the stems hanging out. So I think I'm going to kind of do it like that. So just fiddle with it until you get it in a place that you like. I'm going to put some glue here on my bow and place the flowers. And then just tack that down. Let's see, maybe I don't like the stems, so I am going to trim this. Got some scissors right here. I'm just going to trim this away. And there it is. So cute. I got to hold this a few seconds, and I'll tilt it up. Isn't that a cute little hat? And that is the witch hat box. Thank you for joining me.